Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another watch that I would like to show you. This is a Steinhart watch from Germany, and we will be talking about the Steinhart Ocean Vintage Military. So this is one of the Ocean line from Steinhart. It comes in a really nice and big box. There you have your certificate with the information about the watch, the movement, and also the stamp for the warranty. We have a nice box inside the box. The leather style outer case. And here's the watch itself. Nice tag with the model number. So the Ocean One line is probably one of the well-known or most known or most purchased watches from Steinhart. It is not a secret that the Ocean One is a Rolex or Submariner homage, and they are one of the most popular design watches out there because it is a diver. And the bulk of the Submariner homages are just your standard 40 millimeters watches or 41 millimeter watches with the Mercedes hands and just your standard dial layout. But this one is special. It is really a unique offering because it refers to a very special and rare and interesting model from the Rolex Submariner family. And of course we are talking about the reference number 5517, so the Rolex Military Submariner, or short for MilSub. And it has a really quite interesting history. It was a military issue for the British Royal Navy in the early 70s, and it was a non-civilian model. Therefore, it is special and also desired. The design details that made it unique are the hands and also the bezel. You need to remember that the standard Submariner family has the Mercedes hour hand with the lollipop style second hand, and the bezel is in this version is fully demarcated, so you have your minute increments all around the bezel. And the standard for the Submariner is only to, if I'm not mistaken, only to 15 minutes, so 0 to 15. The most iconic piece are probably the sword hands, and really broad, really broad sword hour hand. Also on the better will be, and I show it to you. So this is the original Rolex MilSub. So you have your demarcations, you have your stubby hour hand, also a special second hand, and they were also marked with a T, so that stand for tritium. and it was the luminescent material applied on the NDCs and on the hands. And from my research, this design was to replace the older Seamaster 300 Omega that was used previously with the Royal Navy Special Forces. As you can see, they are really similar with design. The design features are really similar. Another feature that this reference of the Rolex Submariner had was fixed locks, so you could use it only on a NATO. That was one of the specifications that the military requested, or the Navy requested. So you cannot change it out to a steel bracelet. The watch was made only around 1971 to 1979, so the estimations are that only 1,200 pieces were made. Therefore, this is a really rare reference. And also, which is more important, is that the estimations are that only 180 survived to this day and are in collectors' hands. So if you would like to own one of these references, you are looking to spend somewhere from 75,000 to 170,000, depends on the overall state of the watch, so how damaged or how pristine it is. Okay, but this was the history portion behind this reference. So if you like the design of that watch, that they are out there, a few companies, they are making homages. One of them, of course, is Steinhart, and this is a little bit bigger watch than the original was. So we are looking at 42 millimeters, and of course the watch comes on a oyster style bracelet. The whole watch is brushed, only the sides are polished. Okay, so inside the watch we have the ETA 2824 Elaboré movement. So this is the middle range of the quality of this movement. Swiss made, 25 jewels, 20,800 bph, so that is 4 hertz if you are interested, the frequency. And we have power reserve of 40 hours, which is okay. And we have a weight with the bracelet of 191 grams. The watch, the bracelet, is made out of 316L stainless steel, which was satined or brushed. The case size is a little bit like contemporary size, so 42, which is one of the most liked sizes for different sizes of wrist. Also, a larger wrist can use it, but also a smaller size. We have a height of 14 millimeters, and we have a size, so with the crown of 46. The lug to lug size is 50, and the lug width is 22, so you can use your straps. The dial and also the luminescent material are or they want to present you a vintage or age style dial. So if the watch started with a black dial, so through the years the dial will fade to a gray. So as you can see, the style of the dial looks like aged. It is had gray coloring. The loom is of course Superluminova, vintage all Radium style or color. The Sapphire is domed with double layer coating. The back is the back of the watch is with a nice engraved hippocampus and a soldier, or maybe it is Poseidon. I hope you can see it. The water resistance of the watch is really nice. It is 30 atmospheres, so 300 meters or 1000 feet. And this watch is suitable for all high impact water sports. So you can go swimming, diving, and also scuba diving and saturation diving. So really nice diver overall. It has all the features you probably need. If you like the vintage style, there is no date, as you can see on the dial. The movement supports it, but and probably also the disc is inside, but there is no cutout, so you can see it. The T in the circle on the real one is replaced with the 1, stands for Ocean 1. You have of course a screw down crown. The movement is automatic and also hackable and hand wind. So if you like this kind of homage watch, then you have few options right there. You can go with the more Chinese styled Omega 300, like I have shown on my channel from Debert, and also you can go with also the quartz black PVD homage that I showed also here on my channel. And if you have the money and want to invest a little bit more, so around 400, then you can go with the Steinhart. There are different variants, as I have mentioned. You have also a new line of 39mm sizes, so it depends on you. Go check out the Steinhart website and you will find probably the watch you like. They also added a bronze variant to the site just recently. So if you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.